Dear students, I have completed exercise 5.2 and 5.1. In that, we calculated nth term and number of terms. Here in this chapter, that is exercise 5.3, we are going to learn how to find the sum of terms given in the series. So before that, I'll ask you one question. What is that question? If I ask you to find the sum of digits, that is 1 to 100, what you are going to do? So if you ask me to do, what I am going to do, I'll call this as series S, and I am going to write 1, 2, 3 and up till 100, and I am going to in the second series I am going to reverse it. So how I am going to reverse it? 100 and 99, 98, 97, 96, so till 3, 2, 1, means the first term will become last term and last term will become first term. So I am going to add the two series, that is 2s is equal to 100 plus 1 plus 99 plus 2, 98 plus 3, so up to, so last term will be 1 plus 100. So when I add these, so what I am going to get, 101 plus 101 plus 101 plus 101. See, we are going to get 100 101s. We are going to get 100 101. I am going to find the sum of this. See, if I ask, see, the cost of a pencil is 3 rupees. What is the cost of 20 such pencils? Do I need to add three pencils? So 20 pencils for, see, do I need to add rupees 3 for 20 times? It doesn't make any sense. So what I do, 20 into 3. I use the application of multiplication here. So 2s is equal to, so 101 into, how many are there? 100 are there. How many are there? 100 are there. See, now what we have? So after adding, we got 101. Such, how many such 101s are there? 100 101s are there. How will I add 100 101s? So before that, I'll ask you one question. The cost of pencil is 3 rupees. What is the cost of 20 such pencils? What you are going to do? You are going to multiply 20 with 3. Instead of adding 3 for 20 times, you are going to multiply 20 into 3. You are going to get the answer. The same thing I am going to do here. 2s is equal to 101. How many 101s are there? 100 are there. So 2s is equal to 101. So followed by 2 zeros. Or s is equal to 101 00 divided by 2. So 2 5s are 0, 2 5s are 0. So s is equal to 5050. So now what I am going to do, I am going to make use of the same thing to find the sum of series which are there in the arithmetic progression. How I am going to do that? See, what is the generalized form of an AP? That is a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d till a plus n minus 1 into d. I will call it as series 1. Yes. Next I will reverse the same series. Last term will become the first term and the first term will become the last term. So a plus n minus 1 into d plus a plus n minus 2 into d plus up to so on plus a plus d plus a. So the first term became the last term. Now what we need to add these two series. The same procedure we need to follow what we followed in the earlier problem. Now a plus n minus 1 into a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus a to a plus n minus 1 into d. See, a plus 2d, a plus n minus 2 into d. I need to add a plus n minus 2 into 2. Sorry. After first term, this will be the second term. This plus, this is the second term. I need to add these two. What will I see? I'll add and I'll show you. A plus d plus a plus n minus 2 into d. So if I solve this, what I'll get? A plus a to a plus d as it is. D into n, nd minus 2d, or else 2a plus c plus nd plus d minus 2d is nothing but minus d, or else 2a plus d is common, or else n minus 1 into d. I have taken d common, n remains here, minus 1. So when you add all the digits, see all the respective digits in 1 and 2, this, what do you mean by respective? One first term in the first series, first term in the second term, second term in the first series, second term in the second series. If we add in such a manner, what you are going to get? You are going to get 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So I am going to write the same thing here. Now 2a plus n minus 1 into d, again 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Even the last, even if we add the last term of this series and the last term of this series, what you are going to get? A plus a 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the last term and this is the last term. Now, how many such terms are there? See, 2s is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How many such terms are there? There are total n terms. We don't know how many terms are there. We call it as n terms are there. So it is multiplied by n. It is multiplied by n. Or else s is equal to n. These two I will transfer to the denominator, which is equal to into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula to find sum of n terms involved in a series. Sum of n terms involved in a series. If I want to calculate the sum, this is how I am going to calculate. So to this, what I am going to do now, it's the same thing. What I am going to write, s is equal to, I will write n by 2 as it is. 2a I will write it as a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but nth term or a last term of a given series. So s is equal to n by 2 a plus last term, that is L. I will denote it by L. See, whenever in the series, if you know first term and the last term, and if you know number of terms involved in a series, directly you can use this formula and you can calculate the sum. Or else if I don't know the last term, I know number of terms involved and the first term. If I know number of terms involved, first term and the common difference, directly I can find sum here. If I don't know the last term, if I know number of terms involved, first term and the common difference, then I can calculate the sum. If I know the first term and last term and the number of terms involved, I can use this formula. Please note this down. So next we'll continue with the example, that is example number 11. We are going to make use of the same formula that we have derived. What is that? Find the sum of first 22 terms of AP. AP is given, that is 8, 3, minus 2. Now, do we have the last term? No, we don't know. We know the first term and number of terms are given. So then we can make use of the first formula, that is before that what is given we'll write down. What is given to us? A is given, A is equal to 8. What is D then? 3 minus 8, which is equal to minus 5. So we got to know what is D. D is minus 5. Even we know N. N is equal to 22. Now we need to find Sn. So S22 is equal to, because we need to find the sum of 22 terms. S22 is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Now, which is equal to what is N here? 22 divided by 2. To what is A here? A is 8 plus what is N here? 22 minus 1 minus 5. So 2 ones are 2 11s are 11 into 2 8 is 16 plus 22 minus 1 21 into minus 5. Now 11 16 as it is plus into minus 21 into 5 5 ones are 5 5 2s are 10 minus 105. Now 11 into 16 minus 105. So 15 minus 6 9. 9 minus 1 8. So that is minus 89. 11 9s are 99. Carry 9. 11 8s are 88. 88 plus 9. 88 plus 9 is nothing but 97. Minus 979 is the sum of 22 terms. Sum of 22 terms of the AP, that is minus 979. Please note this down. Okay, so 12th example. If the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. See, so to find the 20th term, what are the things that I require? What are the data that I require? I require first term, n, that is n number of terms involved, and common difference. If I know this, I can write A20 as A plus 19D. So if I know A and D, then I can calculate 20th term. But we don't know D. So what is given to us? The given data is A is 10 and N is 14 and S14 is 1050. What is D first? Then what is A20? That is 20th term we need to calculate. Now what can I write? S14 is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. That is Sn ka formula. I have 14 terms. What is N? Then 14 divided by 2. Then 2 into A means 10 plus how many terms? 14 terms minus 1 into D. I need to calculate the D. What is S14? S14 is 1050. 14 divided by 2 into 2 10s are 20 plus 14D minus D. Okay. Now 2 1s are 2 7s are 1050. I'll keep it as it is. Into 7 is into 7. I'll transfer it to the denominator. So 20 plus 13D is left with us. Fine. Now 7 1s are 7. 3 left 35. See, 7 1s are 7. 3 left 35. 7 5s are 35. 0. That is 150. This plus 20 if I transfer to the left hand side, that is minus 20 is equal to 13D, or else I can write this as 13D is equal to 150 minus 20 is 130. So D is equal to 130 divided by 13, which is, or else 13 ones are 13 tens are. D is equal to 10. Now I got D. Then A20 will be, A20 is equal to A plus 19D. Or A plus 20 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 19D. So what is A here? 10. Plus 19. What is D here? 10. So 10 plus 19 into 10, 190, that is equal to A20 is equal to 200. So the 20th term is 200. Please note this down.